Nice.
Give it to A.
You want to see it?
What does it
Read
say?
it out loud. I want you to read it.
She already did.
For the camera.
Okay. Sire, our waiter, was outstanding and very attentive. Jimmy, boss boy, was a great success.
Great success.
I like.
I like.
John, cabin steward, was great and very nice. N-I-Z-E.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, very nice. We're gonna win the free cruise. They're gonna pick me.
Really? You think they can read your email?
They're gonna pick me. And
Yeah,
I'm
read
gonna-
it to the cruise ship.
It's like chicken scratch.
Hey,
You could read this.
They're gonna pick me, and Brian and I are gonna go on a nice cruise.
If you didn't know the email, would you be able to tell what it was? Would you be able to send an email to him?
SB
SB.
Silver. No, I'm not even kidding. That's definitely SB.
Let me
Ask
see.
me. If the funny thing is, though, is they think his middle name's Eva.
Yeah, that's right.
Everything's Scott Eva Silver.
Yeah, that's a B.
I think it's
for
actually
sure.
Ava. Ava.
Yeah, you're not winning that
All right,
cruise.
let me
they
write
can't
that.
send
Let me
you-
rewrite it. Let me rewrite it.
That R is barely